This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Livers. Sleek renovation and being sold turnkey. Washer/dryer in unit. Northwest corner unit with unobstructed views of ocean and river from this 12th floor corner unit. 84 feet walk around balcony west/floor to ceiling impact sliders maximize every view. Private beach access and heated pool. Walk to Vero's finest beachside shops and restaurants. Next door to VB Hotel and AMP, spa for overflow guests. Available now. For more information, review the details below.